Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about first alert smoke alarms. So if the smoke alarm is beeping, then there are chances that your battery is low. So in this one, the battery compartment is on the side. So if you press this pin, it opens the compartment and it has 9-watt battery. So in this one, you take out the old battery and then you need to put the newer one. It doesn't matter which positive or negative goes in which side, but make sure the terminal goes on the inner side first. So when you do that, you just push in the battery and close it. And now make sure to press the test button to reset the smoke alarm. If after changing the battery, your smoke alarm is still beeping, then there can be two reasons. One, the unit might be malfunctioning. The second thing can be the unit is expired. So if it's malfunctioning or expired, the way to check is you twist the unit and this will come down. And then at the back, there is a manufacturing date. So if you see here, it says 2021 August. So that means it was made 2 years ago or 1.5 years ago. So if your unit is at 10 years, then you have to replace the whole unit. But if it's within 10 years, then you can connect with First Alert customer service, and then they can send you a free replacement if the malfunctioning is due to the unit. But just in case, if by error someone painted it over or it's causing a malfunctioning due to some homeowner use, then that won't be under warranty. So then once you change the unit, and then you can install it back. So I'll be posting another video how to replace the unit. So please subscribe to the channel and follow our videos. Thank you.